In this video, we look at this amazing farmhouse built using 2 shipping containers to create an amazing family house in the countryside. Looking at the floor plan, this beautiful house is built using 2 shipping containers placed side by side to saddle a big open plan living space in the middle to accommodate the living areas. The house has got 4 bedrooms, open plan living, a dining, an open kitchen, a study, and 2 bathrooms. This beautiful house has a big alfresco dining area for outdoor living and a big space for a workshop, creating a beautiful indoor living space. There's a view of the living area showing the lounge, beautiful space, nicely furnished with a big wood-burning fireplace. I like the use of corrugated steel for the ceiling, the exposed corrugated container walls on the 2 shipping containers, and the big glass windows that allow maximum daylighting. This is a view of the kitchen. Is giving you those country living vibes with wooden countertops and cabinetry. The light colored paintwork and the white ceiling make the kitchen brighter, amplified by the horizontal slit window next to the sink space. This is another view of the kitchen. You'll appreciate the big glass window and the clean, crisp finishes throughout. This is a view of the dining area, small, intimate dining space, well furnished. You will appreciate the use of industrial finishes all around on the walls and ceiling. The big glass windows make the place look bright and welcoming. This is a view of the closet space from the living room. It opens as shown, big enough for your storage. This is the general view of this lobby area from the main entrance. This is a view of one of the bathrooms. It continues the wooden countertop theme, and the big bathroom mirror amplifies the space. I like the use of these low maintenance finishes in the bathrooms, making it a befitting finish for countryside living. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. You will appreciate the size and even the coziness in terms of furnishing and interior finishes. A view of another bedroom. I like the use of wood on the interior, bringing out those countryside vibes. The spaces are well lit and nicely furnished, and also finished with clean, crisp finishes, making the spaces look bigger and brighter. A view of another bedroom space. You'll appreciate the use of big glass windows to kill any form of confinement associated with shipping container spaces. A beautiful space, another bedroom for you to appreciate. This is a view of the alfresco space, a nice outdoor living space, beautiful, inviting, cozy, and warm for a family sitting. This is a view of the rear side to the backyard. You'll appreciate the use of timber in almost every space, and this backyard is well done to accommodate all additional outdoor farm living functions. This beautiful house is an amazing farmhouse design, which can be very deceiving, especially from the outside until you step inside the house. This amazing property is well executed, and I love the maximum use of spaces enclosed by the shipping containers to create an amazing family farmhouse. What do you like about this amazing shipping container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you've been wondering how you can build your own shipping container home, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you by putting together one of the best and comprehensive building guides for shipping container homes on the market. This comprehensive book contains more than 300 pages of hands-on advice, real-life examples, and step-by-step building instructions designed to take you from dream to reality. Inside this book, you'll find 14 detailed chapters. They cover everything from understanding what shipping containers are. You will learn about sourcing and buying of shipping containers. Inside there, you'll also find out planning, budgeting, and costing for your shipping container house. This guide goes ahead to tell you more about site preparation and the best foundation to use for your shipping container project. In addition, the most critical part of shipping container architecture, which is ventilation, insulation, and condensation, are the most detailed chapters in the book. You'll also have information on electrical and mechanical systems. There's a detailed coverage of interior and exterior finishes. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus. We have given you a floor plan of our most popular design. In addition, you'll find a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean. This guidebook is packed with full color images and illustrations, making every step clear, visual, and easy to follow, even if you are new to construction. This is the most detailed building guide on shipping container architecture you'll find on the market today. Feel free to download 2 free chapters of the book using the link below. If you enjoy the 2 chapters, go ahead and purchase the book using the links in the description below. The book comes as a paperback. There's an ebook and also an audio version of the same. If you like it, give us a positive review and recommend it to other readers. Enjoy the reading, enjoy the building.